That's really nice. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yahoo! That's a lot of drama. This is nice. This is really nice. Hi, this is Chinmayi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out the Instyler Freestyle 1-inch Ionic ceramic styler, and the most special thing about this is also dual voltage. Has America finally woken up to the concept of electrical appliances that need to be worked all across the world without having to worry about step down transformers? I think so, at least with hairstylers. So let me take you right in. So this is the tool, and this claims to give your hair body. It claims to give your hair volume, and it can also curl and wave. Now what I'm going to do is I have switched this on, and okay, so this has these four dots, and this one's like blinking, and each time I press it once, one less dot starts blinking. So I need to figure this out. So I'm switching it on and I'm letting it heat up. In the meanwhile, I'm trying the Royal Blowout heat styling spray from Ebates just to see how this works. I think I have a general feeling that this should have distributed evenly across my hair. And now let me see if this is done. Okay, now the 4 lights are completely stable. So, and there is some, okay, I shouldn't be, well, that's me, as silly as that. So please don't hold this as close as I did, number 1. And it did say that it's not going to be damaging your scalp if you held it too close as well. I have a feeling that's not true, considering I almost burnt the skin off my palm. So let me see how this works. So this doesn't spin on its own, and I don't know how this will blow out if it's not there's no air coming out of this, so I don't understand how the blowout will work. So okay, I think this works something on the lines of a hot brush maybe. So you have to do your work with this one and brush it out. You need to be, this is work. I just hope I'm doing it the right way. I don't know how this will work for a blowout if there is no. So this, after I have checked it, you need to be doing the work, and you twirl it just like you would use your typical curling tongs or stuff like that. So there is some arm work in this. So I'm just trying to see how, so you know, these are the kind of curls that it gives. So it's kind of nice that way, but I think this is very similar to the curling tongs that you would use. Okay. Maybe those salon style blowout types, when they keep brushing your hair like that, maybe that is achievable with this. One of these days they need to come out with cord-free versions. Okay, so I understand why some people say that they really love this. So you see this lift that has happened through the roots here. So let me try and do this for the rest of my hair. Do note that this is not your blow dryer, so you would ideally do well to, you know, completely blow out your hair beforehand maybe, and do this when your hair is like some 75-80% dry. And I am running it through my scalp, and it doesn't hurt the scalp yet. Of course, just don't keep it down. That's the most important thing, like I did. Yeah, this is nice. I see why this is cool. Okay, now Let me go to the crown area. This is usually where I don't have any lift. My hair tends to fall flat down my head. So let me see if it gives the root lift that I need. So this is one side of my hair that's done. Okay, so I have just left a little bit of the front portion. This is ideally where I need a lot of lift. I'm going to see if this kind of gives me the kind of salon style blowout that most people have, and it is nice. It really is nice. Now to see if this will, see, that's really nice. That's a lot of drama. This is nice. This is really nice. I don't know why I'm liking everything these days, but let me go back here to this section of my head and crown. You would do well to use a good heat protecting spray, and I really hope the Oribate does this job well. Okay, so I have a really strangely shaped head. I have almost like a ridge down in the center. So, and considering my hair is not that dense either, doesn't work well sometimes. Going over once more, and voila, this is the finished look. For the first time, I ran this for the first time. I'm also using a tool like this which requires work with my arms and my wrist as well for the first time. So I think I kind of like this. It didn't tangle my hair as well, so that's a good thing. So that's it. So this is the result on pretty fine, delicate hair, and you decide if this is something that will work for your hair. I did watch a video of somebody who had way denser and thicker hair than I did, and she seemed to have like a pretty good effect with what she did with her hair. So now if you went about with this style, I'm sure you would, I would need like a setting spray to kind of set this style to my head. I am still going to figure out whether I'm going to be carrying this back home, but what I do love about this is that it is international voltage. So that could be my clincher. So I'll let you know if I end up taking this back home, but I really do love this. Once again, this is the Instyler Freestyle 1-inch Ionic ceramic styler. This curls and this waves, and I'll just show you if this actually curls or not. Okay, this is usually how they end up curling. Yeah, so it does curl your hair. So you need to do some work with that, as I said. So if you can, nothing like it. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.